Hey man, throw back to Taeyang wedding dress days.
I think we have to go out the front door or the basement where we came from. What do you?
Go. Yo, what's up everybody? It's yo boy Dre Treasure Nalina. Yeah, it has been a minute since I upload. Your boy's been gaming. I've been uploading to the Dre Day channel, gaming channel. Been streaming on Twitch, twitch.tv/Dre Gaming. You know, talk about K-pop, anime, the World Cup, gaming. I've been playing Fears to Fathom.
This place smells weird.
Yeah, because there's probably a dead body here. Okay.
How'd he do?
Oh my god, bro, I was scared. Listen, me and Scary Games, we mix and don't mix at the same damn time. But go check it out on Dre Day. Be sure to subscribe over there. Without further ado, let's just check out Treasure. I can't wait anymore. I need to check this out. In 3, 2, 1. It said cashier. Oh, she just chewing her gum. Okay, period. Okay, we got peppers. We got onions, green onion, a boombox. Oh, big ass oranges. Are those oranges or okay, well. Who's the oh? Bro, I'll be the same way. Hey. Like me. The guy with the grandpa. Ajishi. Is that with the makgeolli? Ajishi with the makgeolli in the background. The crap. They really get me. Ain't nothing like a YG party. I'm telling y'all. Dangerous. In your chest. Baseline never rest. Never rest. Moving to the left.
Yeah, now bring it back for finesse.
Hey yo, that's a killer right there. Hey, that scene right there. Moving to the left.
Yeah, now bring it back for finesse.
That wink. Done. I know you done too.
Here we go.
Nalina, we about to shut this down. What? Nalina, we like to party. Nalina, we like to party. Hey.
Calling Nalina in the flex like what? Flex like what? Kidding on the daddy, oh yeah.
Oh, not the worm.
Yeah, we like to party. Yeah, we like to party. Stop.
Hammer time.
Wait a minute. First step on the 남 여기 난리나. 자손은 다 조리가.
Hey man, throw back to Taeyang wedding dress days.
First step on the 남 여기 난리나. 자손은 다 조리가 올라갔지 관.
360원 두 박스자
처음엔 내게 버기가 붉게 만든 커리어 스쿼어 레벨 앞에 running this and turning shots 모든 기억을 뛰는 자리 비워 저리 가
And now I'm winning by my cream.
Nah, the mohawk.
Touch a pop like a
Get it in your chest
Winning by my cream, dub stuffed.
Cream. Oh, the way you said that.
Touch a pop like a
Get it in your chest Baseline never rest Moving to the left
Yeah, now bring it back for finesse.
Now bring it back for finesse. Okay, dang, they are dripped out for real. They always been though.
Here we go.
This trio.
We about to shut this down. What?
Got me fucked up the way they just paused that music, bro.
We about to shut this down.
What? Nah. Hey. This is such a YG song too, bro. Like it's new, but also got that YG flavor.
What's up, baby?
Not the pigeons. The pigeons be partying too with Treasure.
Where
they got those pigeons? Not the pigeons. shake that ass, bro. You better shake that ass. Not Treasure. I meant like the people partying. I mean, if they want to shake ass, they can too. But
Move, shake, shake, shake the roof. Move, shake, shake.
what are you mad about? Just join. What a transition inside the mouth of a teacher. Ooh, okay, he's getting into it though.
Going Nally-Na in the place like what? Flex like what? Hit it on the daily, oh yeah. Move, shake, shake, shake the roof. Move, shake, shake the roof. Damn.
All from pushing play. I mean,
Nally-Na, we like to party.
oh my God, why that kind of creeped me out a little bit. If somebody smiled at me like that, I'd be a little bit like, oh. I mean, obviously he does it way better.
Nally-Na, we like to party.
What he said, like, you want to party? Nalina, HYUNHAYO of Treasure.
Nally-Na in the place like what? Flex like what? First step on that I'm 여기 Nally-Na.
Bro, I always like his voice. Every time he raps, every time I hear a Treasure song when he comes on, his voice always like just draws me in, bro. This part's crazy. He looks good, bro. That hat.
Yeah,
I like his voice
bring it
too.
back for finesse. Only
Who's your bias? I mean, out of these three. I feel like all three of them are dope.
Nally-Na, we about to shut this down. What?
This is fire. Why is this so funny to me? Put a comments down below what you guys think of Treasure's Nalli-Na. Let me know what's your favorite part. If you like the whole thing, you like the whole thing. But let me know like your favorite lyric in this whole track. Again, be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Check out the gaming channel, Dre Day. We be gaming. We be gaming out there, bro. It's been fun. And I'm gonna go live on Twitch soon, so be sure to check me out over there. Twitch.tv/DreGaming. And join the Discord if you haven't already. It's a good community over there. K-pop, anime, sports, gaming. You already know. You name it. You name it. Dreamers. What's poppin'? Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.